Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, another one is here again. Oh, hey, wonders they say shall never end. Hey, my correalistic people, things happen though. Hey, do you remember this our Ekpa? Ned Nwoko, Prince Ned Nwoko, the husband to the popular Nollywood actress Regina Daniels. Okay, oh. Right now, he has called on the federal government of Nigeria to do the needful. Why? Prince Ned, in an interview, called on the federal government of Nigeria to dialogue with the IPOB, especially to call Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister, and Insta Security Network. In his words, he said that dialogue is so cheap and dialogue is also respectful. He said that some of his friends were pressurizing the federal government of Nigeria, mounting pressure on him that they should bring back Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria. These people are just thinking that that is how easy it is just to say it. But anyways, let's keep moving. He said, and he responded to them, that this is not the time for them to be fighting one another. This is not the time for them to say they should bring back Simon Ekpa. He said that if Simon Ekpa is the one that is causing the sit-at-home in southeastern part of Nigeria, if Simon Ekpa is the one that is giving the order, if Simon Ekpa is doing anything that the federal government is not in support of, that the right phrase of mind is to make dialogue with Simon Ekpa. And he said 1,000 of Simon Ekpa is going to spring up if they dare say they want to arrest Simon Ekpa. If they say that, okay, we are going to Finland so that the Finland government will help us to do 1315 to bring back Simon Ekpa. He said that thousands of Simon Ekpa, millions of Simon Ekpa are going to wake up. And he said, if only the federal government of Nigeria realize that capturing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will make Simon Ekpa who he is today, that they will not even think twice. They will not even try it to make sure Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is back to Nigeria. They would have found another means to make sure they handle this issue. When we were still deliberating on that, Sahara reporters brought another one again, that Ohanaeze Ndigbo to send emissaries to Finland, others to seek dialogue with pro-Biafra activists over killings in Igbo land. He said that the General Chief Emmanuel Nyawu, who disclosed this at the weekend, said if it would amount to laying down his life to ensure that peace return to the southeastern part of Nigeria, he will do it. The Igbo social-cultural organization Ohanaeze Ndigbo Worldwide has concluded plan to send emissaries to Finland and other Western countries to dialogue with various pro-Biafra agitators to end the killings and attack on communities by security agency. Ohanaeze President Chief Emmanuel Nyawu, who disclosed this at the weekend, said he wants peace to return to southeastern part of Nigeria. Describing the happening in the southeastern part of Nigeria, he speaks so remorseful about the happening in southeastern part of Nigeria that if he can take him everything that he had to make sure there is peace in southeastern part of Nigeria, that he is going to do it. Even if it is to lay down his life, he will do it. Now the question is, how prepared are you to really fight for what you really want? You know that after saying this, a lot of people remember what they said, that anybody that can get Simon Ekpa, the person will receive the sum of $500,000 or something. So a huge amount of money has been placed on his head by the same Ohanaeze Ndigbo that are not saying that they want dialogue with the Biafran people, that they want to come to Finland, or they want to send somebody to speak on their behalf, to speak to Simon Ekpa, to see how peace will return. But a lot of Biafrans, they are saying a lot of things. This time around, it's not only Biafrans, but other people from other countries, they are saying that this is a huge setup, that they are now making another plan to fulfill what they have planned, that this time around they are trying to move Simon Ekpa, and they are trying to study all his movements, just like what they did to his master Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And Biafrans and some other people, they are calling that Simon Ekpa need to be very careful at this moment, that he should not receive any visitors, he should not disclose his whereabouts to anybody, that they did not trust this Ohanaeze Ndigbo because they can do or not do. You know that in this life everybody behaves so carefully with each other. So my wonderful family, the bottom line is Ohanaeze Ndigbo, they are not calling that they want to dialogue, they want to do this, they want to do that, but let them take the move first of releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because time without number, the same Simon Ekpa they are calling upon today has told them, giving them condition why he's doing what he's doing, that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, there is one of his brokers where he pleaded that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and anything sit at home is going to stop. But these people, I don't really know why they didn't obey or why they did not listen to him. But all the same, sit at home is still going on. You guys know that he has declared 3 weeks sit at home. And as it stands right now, the sit at home is still going on right now in Biafra land. And again, he has said that after the sit at home, another one that is more than 3 weeks will come up. So my wonderful people, what did you see? But before then, let me allow you to listen to the sit at home of today, the information, and I'll be right back.
The shopping center, Natal Market in Aba, on second biggest in Aba shopping center. They all shot on the revolution. This is global news reporting from the Central of Africa. Today is 25th of September 2023. Our people are willing to go. Biafrans are willing to go. They shut down their shop at their own evolution. Kudos to Biafra government in Israel with a statement. Namaka is not less. Monday start on continue. This is not for this on personal evolution. Take note of that. So we're thanking the Biafra government in Israel and the Fatu government in Homeland for what they're doing under the auspices of Simon Ekpa, great man. I want to thank God. Only that coming out soon. It doesn't matter how soon it's. What we know is coming out. Because the dangerous men that are trying to keep in there have no choice but to give up for themselves. They give out themselves. They have no choice. A room is straight above land to court. And it's about to happen. Please, to sound is there. This global news report. To sound is there. Whenever you say it, tell your neighbor. It has continued. Tomorrow is just coffee. It's coffee from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And it continues. Ndewo Chineke.
Today is 25th of September 2023. Monday sit at home. Update here in Onitsha main market. As you can see, the whole shop here is totally shut down. The solidarity protest for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditional release. This is Onitsha main market today. Everywhere is totally deserted. There's plaza everywhere.
Today is 25th of September 2023. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is 100%. You can see our people are willing to go. They're all on their own evolution. Sit at home. Stay at home, never mind, because the loving one The freedom fighting war is in the essay danger. Releasing Americano or continue to sit at home, and that's it. Do not forget this, the industrial hub of Africa. Aba precisely. This is our shop. This global news very important for the central hub. This is the major market, you see, core shopping center. This is the major market, core shopping center. Yeah, this is the major market. You can say everywhere is packed at their own evolution. No one cajole them, no one force them. Everything is working purpose. So, global news very reporting from Aba. They were watching again.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.